The revolution and everyday. Can politics change the clothes people wear, the language they speak, or the books they read? Yes, they can. Because the years following 1789 in France saw many such changes. So the government was so revolutionary during that time that they made changes in the address, in the dress, in the food of the people. The citizens of France were completely changed, and everyone was getting everything equally. Everything was equal in dressing also, in eating also, in fooding also. Everything was made same, equal. And politics have changed. The clothes people wear, the language they speak, everyone is speaking everything equally. Everyone is wearing same clothes, and the books they read were also same. One important law that came into effect soon after the storming of the Bastille in the summer of 1789 was the abolition of censorship. So one very important law that got effect after the Bastille was stormed in 1789, in the summer of 1789, that there was an abolition of censorship. So what is censorship? So censorship, it was an old regime or old ritual kind of, in which the people who wanted to publish any kind of book, newspaper, plays, they need the permission to publish this thing. They need the permission of the king. If the king gives the permission, then they can publish all this kind of things. And this permission taking system was abolished, and everyone is free. And everyone was free. Everyone who wanted to publish anything, publish newspapers and any kind of ritual, any kind of cultural things they want to publish, they are free to publish. And this gave the declaration of the rights of man and citizen, proclaimed freedom of speech and expression to be a natural right. So the speech and expression of each and every citizen of France was given to them to their fullest as the abolition of censorship was done. This was one way they could grasp and identify with ideas such as liberty, or just that political philosophers wrote about it. As philosophers, political philosophers have wrote so many things in paragraphs and paragraphs. They were not published because they did not get any kind of permission from the censors or from the king to publish it. But now they are free to publish what the philosophers write and what the philosophers want to express to their people, to the citizens of France. But till then, these were only can be read by some handful of educated people, because most of the people during that time in France was illiterate. They were uneducated. The conclusion. Now we will come to the conclusion of the chapter, or the conclusion of the French Revolution. In 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte, he crowned himself as the Emperor of France. So he crowned himself and he became the Emperor of France in 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte. He set out to conquer neighboring European countries. He conquered many European countries, nearby European countries of France, dispossessing dynasties and creating kingdom where he placed members of his family. The places which he invaded, Napoleon Bonaparte was a kind of invader or a kind of conqueror. He conquered many European countries, and in that countries which was conquered by Napoleon Bonaparte, he kept to under the supervision of his family members. So his family members were kept to supervise the area, to supervise the places that was conquered by Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon saw his role as a modernizer of Europe. So he saw himself that I am the modernizer. I am not similar to that kings who were cruel to their people, who were cruel to their people for whom he is the king, for whom he is alive. He is not cruel to them. And he saw himself as a modernizer. So he was a very great king. His ideas were revolutionary. His ideas were full of freedom. And he was given so many ideas. He gave so many beautiful ideas, so many revolutionary freedom ideas, equality ideas, liberty ideas. Because he was a modernizer. He saw himself as a modernizer, not as a cruel king who have given punishment to its people. He was not like that. But every person need to die. and as he was a conqueror, he need to die in a war only. So he died. He was finally defeated at Waterloo in 1815. This great leader, this great king died, this great emperor died in the he was defeated at Waterloo in 1815, the fight of Waterloo in 1815. Many of his measures that carried the revolutionary ideas of liberty and modern laws to other parts of Europe had an impact on people long after Napoleon had left. Even Napoleon have left his life. Even Napoleon is not in the world, but till his revolutionary ideas, his freedom ideas that touched the hearts of the France people, the heart of the people who are following that liberties, that great ideas, it is still followed by people. The ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of the French Revolution, and it was the most important legacy of French Revolution. This spread from France to the rest of the Europe during the 19th century. And that time feudal systems were also abolished. As we know, feudal system was the system of taking taxes. It was also abolished. The first and the second state took feudals or taxes. From the third estate it was abolished. Colonized peoples were revoked the idea of freedom from bondage into their movements to create a sovereign nation. Yeah. Tipu Sultan and Ram Mohan Roy are two examples of individuals who responded to the ideas coming from this revolutionary France. So Tipu Sultan and Ram Mohan Roy, they took the revolutionary ideas, they took the great ideas from France, and they were and that were reused as great ideas, revolutionary ideas of France that were reused by us as Indians. So it was a very great thing we know about, that how at last a good king come and he was defeated. So this was all the story or all the chapter about the French Revolution I have taught you. So till now what you have understood, what you have known, I think it was very revolutionary. It was very unique, it was very new, because till now you all were learning about the same thing, India. So you need to know that how India fought against the British. Other countries also fought with themselves, with British, with their government. How our people face the problems. The same problem was faced by other countries. And everything everyone face. You need to know that. So as I have explained this full chapter in English, so I am thinking that I will be bringing a Hindi video also, a short Hindi video on the whole chapter, not topic wise but the whole chapter as an overview of the full chapter from topic 1 to the topic last topic, the conclusion up to the conclusion. I will be giving in a Hindi, and there are some important questions you need to know. I will be giving that to you also. So describe the circumstances leading to the outbreak of the revolutionary protest in France. Which groups of French society benefited from the revolution? You can find out, write and learn. If you have learned already, comment. Which groups are forced to relinquish power? Which sections of society would have been disappointed with the outcome of revolution? I have explained everything to you. You just need to read the book and feel what was going on in France during that time. You need to know everything. You need to grasp everything to be a revolutionary person. If you want to be a revolutionary person or you want to be the topper, you need to. So I will be bringing a part overview of this full chapter in Hindi in very short a video I will be bringing soon, and hope so. If you like my speech, if you like how I teach, then please please comment. And if you have any kind of question, till now I have not said you, if you have any kind of question you need to comment, but now I am saying if you have any kind of question, please comment. I want to know, and I will be bringing the answers to you as soon as I can, as soon as I can read it. So because teaching is something which should be done by everyone in this world, because spreading knowledge is gaining knowledge for me. So it's my saying, if you follow it, it will be very good for you. So thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get the latest notified every latest video of my channel. So I will be coming soon back.